In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up deposits on Acuity scheduling. Now it's actually super simple. You want to go to your dashboard, and then over here on the left, you want to click on payments. Inside payments, you want to connect one of these payment processors. You have Stripe, Square, or PayPal. I'm just going to connect Square right now and click on connect. Now from here, it's going to be pretty straightforward. You'll just basically have to sign into either of your accounts, depending on which one you use, and you're going to have to authorize a few things. So over here, I'm just going to have to basically allow the connection. There we go, did it automatically because I usually am connected to Square, but now I didn't have to do it again because I allowed it already. But in your case, you may have to do it, you may have to allow it. It's going to be super simple. All the step-by-steps are going to be on your screen for all of those three. Now, whenever you do this, you want to go to payment settings and click on payment at booking. There we go. In here, you want to select, of course, how you want to do this. So you could do over here where it says collect deposits or full payment. And you can select if you want to use the same method for all appointment types, okay? So it's up to you. I'm just going to do that, but if you don't want to do that, you could go and select a specific one for each appointment type. Now, whenever you're in here, you want to go and click on collect deposits or full payment to, of course, set up deposits. And then here you have the type of payment. You could do a full payment plus allow clients to pay extra, or you could have like deposit amount or deposit percentage. I'm actually just going to do a full payment right now, and you could also allow them to basically tip when they pay in full or not. So I'm not going to do that, and I'm just going to click on save, and there we go. That's what you have to do to basically set up deposits on Acuity scheduling. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.